Hello students, I am your junior KG teacher Mohini Kulkarni on behalf of Anand English Medium School. Today we learn patterns. Today we learn inward arrow. Open your books and take your pencil. In your book there are dots. Start from first dot. Come down and continue this line and join these all dots. This is left slanting line, right slanting line. This is left slanting line. Repeat it. Start from first dot, come down, continue this line and join all these dots. It will become inward arrow. Repeat it, practice it. Right slanting line, left slanting line. Come down, continue the line, come down and complete the left slanting line. Practice it. Make sure that your pencil is sharp. Come down, continue and complete for last dot. Come down, join the dot carefully. Right slanting line, left slanting line. Practice it. If you practice it in your home, practice along with me. You can write it firmly. Look at the chalk. Start from first dot. How can I write? Start from first dot and continue this line for last one. It will become inward arrow. How can you write? Start from first dot. Continue, come down and continue for last one dot. Practice it in your home. Now next, there is only one dot in your book. How can you write from this one dot? Look at the chalk. Start from this one dot. Come down for second line. Continue this line and come down. Repeat it. Start from first dot, come down for second line, continue this line for third one and join the dot. It will become inward arrow. Start from first dot, continue this line and touch to the third line. Why I am saying start from first dot? Because if you start from this line, you can write like this. It is wrong. Don't write like this. Start from first dot, continue this line and complete the inward arrow. Write only the way which I am saying. Don't write from last line. Don't start from here and don't write like this. This is wrong. Start from the given dot, come down and complete for the last one. Start from first dot, continue and complete for last one. Practice one. Practice it. If you practice it, you can write firmly. Come down, continue and complete. Come down, continue and practice. Make sure that your pencil is sharp. Come down and continue, complete. This is called inward arrow. If you draw this arrow, you can write this sign, which is very important in your next standards. It is practice for that. So practice it in your home, complete in your book. Goodbye.